Assalamu alaikum viewers, students. Today the next lecture, and in this lecture I'm discuss about exercise 1.2 question number 4. Find the negative of matrix. Students, the negative means to change the sign of all entries. Very simple question and very short lecture. A matrix A is given 1 0 minus 1, and negative of matrix means take the negative on both sides, and minus a becomes change the sign of all entry means 1 becomes a minus 1, 0 remains 0, and minus 1 becomes a plus 1. And the next question C, 2632. Firstly again take the negative sign on both sides, and then this negative sign apply inside, change the sign of all entries. 2632 becomes minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 2 minus 4 5. Firstly take the negative on both sides, and then this negative sign apply inside and change the sign of all entry. Minus 3 becomes plus 3, plus 2 becomes minus 2, minus 4 becomes plus 4, and 5 becomes minus 5. So student, this is the negative of a matrix, and this is also called additive inverse. So please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.